Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how I personally open a non-registered investment account using the RBC mobile application. So once I open up the RBC app, I head to the bottom right and tap on More. From there, I scroll down to Products and select Open an Account. Once I'm on that page, I go all the way to the bottom and press on Investments to get started. At this point, I can choose how I want to invest. RBC gives me a few different options depending on my style. If I want something more hands-off, I can go with RBC Investees. If I want a mix, I can use RBC Royal Bank, and if I want full control, like I usually do, I go with RBC Direct Investing. Once I select that, I look for the non-registered investment account option. This is different from accounts like a TFSA, RRSP, or FHSA because it's not tax-sheltered, meaning any gains, dividends, or interest can be taxed. I usually think of this as the next step once those registered accounts are maxed out. From there, I select the account type. I can choose between a cash account, where I only use my own money, or a margin account, which involves borrowing and comes with more risk. After choosing what fits my situation, I continue and complete the process by verifying my details. Overall, it's a very straightforward process and a useful option if I want to keep investing beyond registered account limits. So, yeah, that's exactly how I open a non-registered investment account using the RBC mobile app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.